Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Gosh, do I ever look haggard. Anyhow, on another note, so I've been busy planting squash and pumpkin in solo cups. We still have 28 days before I can plant it outside. So I should have maybe done my survival seeds, the Waltham butternut squash, a week or two ago, because they're 105 days. So if I plant them today, they'll be ready the end of August. Sometimes we have a frost the last week of August, so let's just pray that we don't this year. So I'll turn you around. So the plants have sort of overtaken my house. And then I don't know if you can hear the peep, 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 but over there on the floor in a tub are little baby chickies. So let's get to planting these seeds. I only have 4 seeds because I gave 4 to my sister. So we'll just put them in there, cover them up with a little bit of soil, water them down well. I find that this works well, usually a 5. I put a smaller solo cup in the center, and then I can put 5 in a 8x8 Dollarama cake tin. So it's pretty cheap, not much of an output, so these ones I got, these are going, all the brown ones are going in the plant sale. All the red ones are mine to put in the garden. So there's my survival seeds, girls.